to see how to add multiple images to database in Django with a single button. That is, we will not need 5 buttons if we want to add 5 images. So with a single button, we will add as many images as we want. So I have actually pre-written the code. So I'll show you. This is my views.py. This is the URLs, which is the normal thing. So this is a models where I have a model called as cars, which has a name of a car and the images which user will upload. So I've actually set up a media root and a media URL. This media URL actually means that when you open that image, that particular image, that will open at localhost 8000 slash media slash whatever is the path of that image. And in my urls.py of the project, not the app, I have written this code if setting.debug URL patterns plus static, which will join our media route to the current URL patterns. So this will run only when our program is running or is in debug mode. So it will connect URL patterns with the media routes. So what I've actually done is I will take a look at our templates, images, index.html. In this I have a simple form which has input type as file, whose name is images, and the main magic is this: you need to write multiple, otherwise it will not let you select multiple images. So writing multiple is mandatory, and just a button, simple button. So we'll quickly check out how does this look. So this is our website, very simple. Add multiple images to database. So I'll choose some files. Let's say I'll just go back, add some other images. Okay, let's say I'll add these images. So as you can see, it is letting me select multiple images because I have written multiple in my form, in my input field. I'll open this, so it shows 10 files selected, and I'll upload images. So it says images added successfully. Now I'll quickly take a look at admin in a database, whether this images are here or not. So as you can see, many images have come. I'll open this image. See, this was the image that we uploaded. Now if you'll see the URL, it is localhost 8000 slash media slash images slash whatever is the name of that image. And if I'll go back to our code, we'll see that all the images, the actual images, get stored in this media folder that has been created. And in that, this images has been created because in models.py I have written that upload to images. So it will create a folder images inside this media, and over here we have all our images. I don't have the extension for opening images in Python, so it doesn't load. But yeah, and now we'll take a look at the logic that we are using is when the request of method is post, I am storing all the images in this images variable. And how do you extract images is request.files.getList, and images over here is this name equals images. This is the name, and .getList gives us all the images, more than one images, into a variable. And then I am putting a for loop on that. For f in images, car info is, then I'm inserting data to the database where I've kept the name static, and images is this. So if you upload 10 images, you'll get 10 records in your database. I actually had data before, so what I'll do is I'll just clear this data and add data again so that things get quite clear. This time I'll choose only 5 files. I'll open 5, so 5 files are chosen. I'll upload images, and I'll see in car we have 5 records right now. So those 5 images has been added. So this is a very simple way to add images. There are obviously more ways in which you can also add images. You can set this file field as binary field if you want to store the actual image, over here. And by the way, this database doesn't actually store the image, rather it stores the file path of that image. So if you want to store the actual image in your database, you can use binary field, which is not advisable because it is not a good practice, as it stores, your database will get large in space very easily. So that is not advisable. So this was the simple way in which you can upload multiple images to Django database. Hope you like it.